Hello, so I'm making a YouTube video about cooking. What is this again? Roast beef and gravy with mashed potatoes. That sounds okay. Enough to eat from my microwave. This is a microwavable food because I'm only 10 and I can't cook. That's right. Let's just get this thing out. Yeah. So for the can't talk. The instructions say puncture plastic film in several spots on top of tray, or peel film back on tray about 1/4 inch to vent. I don't know how to measure things properly, so I'm gonna just stab it with a fork. You shall die. Or not. Girl! Okay, I finally got like a few holes. This one is right. It said several, so I don't know how many on my face. Ugh. That's kind of good. I don't really know. Ooh. So I got some holes. Now, how long do I microwave it for? Wow, it's a 1-minute dinner. And I said, how long do I microwave it for? I'm an idiot. I'm a microwave it. It's in the microwave. You hit the button and it lights up. Now we watch it spin. Kind of sad. So let's just film the time and see if I can edit this, which I probably won't. So this won't be edited out. Oh, and by the way, 7:29 where I live. So, yeah. It'll be sizzling. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm trying to take it out with these. Where did we get these? There was a square one, and now it's a circle. Oh. Let me just try to get it out with my hands, because I don't know what these is. Somebody else could have put them on with their poopy doopy hands. Okay. Ooh, got it. Do I stab it some more? Let me see what the instructions say. They're in the back, like right here. Oh, I'm sorry. No. It says, caution, the tray and its contents are hot. No, because I totally didn't just put it in the microwave for a minute. Can't open it. I got knives. Come for me and my food. They get this open. I'm excited about this. It's hot. Oh, now I see where it says caution. I'm an idiot. I said that like 5 times already. That's because it's true. play when I'm hungry. Got it opened. Still can't get the whole thing open, but I'm gonna try. Ow! It's like burning my skin. I'm hungry, and like this is what I got. It's brown. I know it says with gravy, but I thought gravy was like a tanner color. Is that just me, or am I just dumb? Like, am I truly stupid? I'm truly stupid, obviously. Why can't I do this? It's all over my hands. I don't like. Is gravy supposed to be this brown? Cause like that don't look right. That don't look right. It just don't. I don't like the way it looks. It makes me just not want to swallow my own saliva. I'm trying to eat this, and guess what it's not doing? Opening. So got like a little bit open. Well, I got half the thing open, but I'm almost there. I think I'm gonna use this fork I stabbed it with. Mashed potatoes actually looks quite good. They gave me what is it? 1 patty of roast beef. What is this? Like, on the cover, it looks so good. Okay. On the cover, it looks so good. This one does look good. Like, I would eat this. I would eat that. Then it comes out in the packaging like, hello? Like, it actually was looking good until I touched it, so, there. Listen to me. Ready? What is that? I'm not impressed. I'm gonna try to act like this is a real girl. Should act like this is a real dinner. Cut the meat. That'll help. Cause they cut it on the cover, so I'm guessing that makes it look more better. What? Guessing that makes it look more eatable than the more throw up-y bill. Yeah. So, see a fly. So I'm gonna eat a piece of the meat, and then I'm gonna eat some mashed potatoes. Okay, so I got the meat. Let's try it. Ready, set, go. I'm not impressed. Okay. What I gotta say is, never get this. Like, it's a waste of money. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Oh, and mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes are like okay. They're not good mashed potatoes, like the mashed potatoes I would eat, but if you like mashed potatoes that look like this, oh wait, that's a trick for me. Don't take that. Okay, if you want mashed potatoes that look like this, eat it. It's okay. Okay. Oh, so like and subscribe if you like the video. Tell your friends, tell your family members, tell everybody you know. Yeah, like, subscribe. Bye.